Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to export transactions to a CSV here in YNAB. Well, first up, you gotta log into your account and now go to the top left, click on your plan right here. And as you can see, we have the export plan option. Okay, so what you'll do is just click on it. Now it says here, all the requested data will be exported in a CSV format. So it's easy to open in other applications. So just click on export right here. Wait for it to load. And as you can see here, we have a dialog pop up. So save it wherever you want. Click on save. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and open it up. Just click on the folder right here. And here we have it. Okay. So let's say I'm going to export it right here. And here we have the files. Okay. The plan and register. So let's go ahead and open up a plan just for you to see. Okay. And here we have it. And as you can see here, what's cool about it, it got the icons as well. All right. But that's just basically it. That's how you export transactions into a CSV file in YNAB. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.